it's a beautiful day if the sun is shining. Just walk outside. Don't think. Don't say anything. Walk outside. Take off your shoes. Take off your socks. If you have any grass or dirt around, put your feet in the grass. Get grounded. And just listen. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And just listen. If you focus your mind into listening, doesn't matter what's going on in your mind, stress, ADHD, stress, whatever the situation is, frustration, aggravation, annoyance, anger, worry, I guarantee you just close your eyes and listen, and your mind will be in a whole different place, because your mind is now focusing on what you're listening to. Your mind is narrowing in to listen to birds or listen to the sounds around you, the wind, the cars, the tree leaves whistling. So take time out. If it's beautiful outside, even if a little bit of sun is out there, get grounded. Silence your mind. Silence your thoughts and listen. It's a praying time. Let's silence our mind.